is more safe, but it also has a quietness inside the interior as well. You might notice the color.
There's some Mazdas. Ooh, oh, is that the? It is. It's a Mazda 2. There it is, a Mazda 2 in its greenness. That is it. It's a Mazda 2. Looks like a.
It's been successfully working in Europe for the last couple of years. And the question is right now, what is coming engine? Right now, in Europe, they're getting 36 to 40 miles per gallon. We'd like to have that same configuration here.
Yep, there it is, Mazda 2. Looks like a rival to the Fiesta.
This vehicle, which is really great. 15 features in this exclusively aboard. For instance, we have 6 of them. It's our hand-on or our hands-free communication system.
Oh, and it's one of these Miatas. It's a very standard, very fun little car. It's a Miata.
It'll get there, it'll find or tell you how to do it, and you can get there. Also, another cool feature, it's called My Key. All you do is have to have your key fob, and you never have to take your key out. There's no key button in there. So if you're visiting with things, you got stuff in your hand, when you go and switch your hands, as long as you have your key fob next to you, whether it's in your pocket or your purse, you'll be able to do all of those things, which is really great.
That's a very happy Miata. Could you tell? It's definitely smiling.